Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 15, and in this video I will be explain sexual exercise questions of chapter number 8 redox reaction. So in the last question is 11th, so this video start from question number 12. How do you count for the following observation? First is acidic potassium permanganate and alkaline potassium permanganate. Acidic and alkaline. Potassium permanganate, that is means KMnO4. Both are used as oxidants, yet in the manufacture of benzoic acid from toluene we use alcoholic potassium permanganate. Acidic and alkaline both are used as oxidant, but in the manufacture of the benzoic acid from toluene we use alcoholic potassium permanganate as an oxidant. Why? And also we have to write a balanced redox reaction for the equation for the reaction. So this is the first answer. While manufacturing benzoic acid from toluene, so alcoholic potassium permanganate used as a oxidant due to the give reasons. First, A, in neutral medium OH minus ion are produced in the reaction, so due to that the cost of the adding an acid or base can be reduced. And second reason, KMnO4 and alcohol are homogeneous to each other as they are polar. So alcohol and toluene homogeneous to each other, so because both are organic compounds, so reaction can proceed at a faster rate in a homogeneous medium compared to heterogeneous medium. So alcohol, therefore in alcohol KMnO4 and toluene can react at a faster rate because heterogeneous medium. So the C reaction, toluene CH3 attached with benzene ring permanganate ion MnO4 minus, formation carboxylate and benzoate COO minus attached with benzene and MnO2 plus water and OH minus. Then question number second. When concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid is added to an inorganic mixture containing chloride, we get colorless pungent smelling gas HCl. But if the mixture contains bromide, then we get red vapor of the bromine. Again I say, when concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 added to an inorganic mixture containing chloride, so we get colorless pungent smelling gas HCl. But if the mixture contains bromide ion, chloride ion contains so pungent smelling gas HCl. But if the mixture contains bromide, then we get red vapor of the bromine. Why? So see its answer. When concentrated sulfuric acid is added to an organic mixture containing bromide, so firstly HBr to produce, and HBr is strong reducing agent, so reduce sulfuric acid to the SO2 with the evolution of the bromine's red vapor. So here you see NaBr inorganic way compound react with sulfuric acid, so to formation sodium hydrogen sulfate NaHSO4 and HBr, and this HBr react with sulfuric acid, so Br bromide ion, HBr strong reducing agent and reduce sulfuric acid to the SO2 gas, and with the evolution of the bromine, and bromine color is red vapor. Then when concentrated sulfuric acid added to an inorganic mixture containing chloride NaCl, so pungent smelling gas HCl gas is evolved, and HCl is a weak reducing agent. Upper side HBr is strong reducing agent, so reduce sulfuric acid to the SO2. But here HCl weak reducing agent, so can't reduce sulfuric acid to the SO2. So HCl gas evolved, so pungent smelling gas of the HCl. Then question number 13, identify the substance oxidized reduce oxidizing agent, reducing agent for each of the following reaction. First reaction is 2 AgBr solid C6H6O2 aqueous convert into the 2Ag HBr 2HBr and C6H4O2. So here we have to see according to the AgBr convert into the Ag. So removal of electronegative element. So electronegative element remove. So AgBr here reducing substance. Then C6H6O2. So hydrogen added. Okay. So and this substance responsible for oxidation. So it is a oxidized substance. Okay. So it is reduced substance and it is oxidized substance. Then second number HCHO liquid 2AgNH3 whole 2 plus 3OH minus convert into the 2Ag solid plus HCOO minus aqueous plus 4NH3 aqueous plus 2H2O liquid. So here you see formaldehyde HCHO and convert into the HCOO minus. So H plus remove, H remove. So it is a oxidized substance because it is represent reduction, and AgNH3 2 plus convert into the Ag. So it is a reduced substance and also oxidizing. Okay. So HCHO reducing agent. Then third HCHO plus 2Cu2 plus 5OH minus convert into the Cu2O HCOO minus plus 3H2O. So here HCHO copper plus 2 convert into the copper oxide. So oxygen added. So it is a oxidation represent but responsible HCHO. So HCHO oxidized substance. And copper plus 2 reduced substance. And whenever oxygen added, so it is it is responsible for oxidation, so it is known as oxidizing agent. So sometime HCHO reducing, so 1 copper plus 2 reduced substance, so copper plus 2 oxidizing agent and HCHO reducing agent. Then fourth number N2H4 liquid plus 2H2O liquid convert into the nitrogen gas plus 4H2O. So here you see N2H4, so convert into the N2. So N2H4 removal of the hydrogen, and removal of the hydrogen, that is means oxidation. So it is a oxidized substance and it is a reduced substance, and we have to say this is the oxidized substance, that is means reducing agent. It is a reduced substance, so it is known as oxidizing agent. Then fifth, Pb solid plus PbO2 solid 2H2SO4 convert into the 2PbSO4 2H2O. So here you see Pb convert into the PbSO4. So Pb oxidized because oxygen added. So Pb oxidized substance. Oxidized substance, that is means it is reducing agent. PbO2 convert into the PbSO4. So it is reduced substance, so it is oxidizing agent. Okay. Next question number 14th. Consider the reaction. These two reactions are given. 2H2O3 minus 2 plus I2 solid convert into the S4O6 2 minus plus 2I minus. Then same reaction, but first reaction S2O3 minus thiosulfate ion react with iodine, and in the second reaction react with bromine. So why does the same reductant I2 and Br2 but product are different from? Okay, so thiosulfate react differently with iodine and bromine. So here you see H2O3 2 minus, oxidation number of sulfur we have to find, so plus 2. But here S4O6 2 minus plus 2.5. So oxidation number of sulfur H2O3 2 minus is plus 2. Oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate ion is +6. Sulfate ion form in the product and sulfur valency oxidation number +6. You already know about Br2 is a strong oxidizing agent and iodine weaker oxidizing agent. So stronger oxidizing agent than I2. So it oxidizes sulfur as thiosulfate to higher oxidation number of +6 into the sulfate ion. But iodine weaker oxidizing agent, so it is oxidized sulfur of S2O3 minus ion to the lower oxidation number, that is 2.5 in S4O6 2 minus ions. So Br2 is strong, so it is the oxidized to higher oxidation number, and iodine weaker oxidizing agent, so it is convert to a lower oxidation number. So thiosulfate react differently with I2 and Br2. Then question number 15. Question number 15. Justify giving reaction that among halogens fluorine is the best oxidant and among hydrohalic compounds and hydroiodic acid is the best reductant. So among halogen fluorine is the best oxidant and among hydrohalic compounds hydroiodic acid is best reductant. Fluorine best oxidant but iodine best reductant. So we have already know about fluorine is a strong oxidant, best oxidant. So that is means fluorine can oxidize chloride ion to the Cl2 and bromide ion to Br2 and iodide ion to I2. So reaction you see, F2 react with Cl minus, so F2 convert into the fluoride ion and Cl minus convert into the Cl2. That is means fluorine 0 oxidation number and convert into the -1. So that is means oxidized into fluoride ion and then chloride ion convert into the Cl2. Same fluoride can oxidize Br minus to Br2. Fluorine ion can oxidize iodide ion to the iodine. But Cl2, Br2 and iodine cannot oxidize F minus to F2. Okay. F2 oxidized Cl minus to Cl2. Okay, but Cl2, Br2 and I2 cannot oxidize to fluoride ion to the fluorine. So the oxidizing power of the halogen increase the order. First I2, then greater Br2, greater Cl2, then greater F2. So fluorine is the best oxidant among halogens. Otherwise we have to take I in the form of the hydrohalic way. So hydroiodic acid and hydrobromic can reduce sulfuric acid to the SO2. But HCl, HF cannot. Reason? Because HI and HB are stronger reductant compared to the HCl and HF. Because fluorine is strong oxidizing agent. So first we have to see HI react with the sulfuric acid. So see, HI can reduce sulfuric acid to the SO2. So reaction, HI react with H2SO4. So convert into the I2 as sulfur dioxide plus 2H2O. Then HBr we take. So HBr also can reduce sulfuric acid to the SO2. Br2 plus SO2 plus 2H2O. But we have to take iodide, I minus, can reduce copper plus 2 ion to copper plus. But Br minus cannot. So 4I minus aqueous plus 2Cu2 plus. So convert into the Cu2I2 plus iodine. So therefore hydrochloric acid HCl is the best reductant among hydrohalic compounds and reducing power of hydrohalic acid increase. See, HF, then HCl, then HBr and then HI. So hydrohalic acid, so iodine reducing power of the hydroiodic reducing power of hydroiodic acid increase. Comparison then HBr, HCl and HF. Next question I will be explained in next video. Thank you so much.